Diggory and the Red Wonder. Diggory sat by the fence, his head tilted. Somewhere beneath the soft green grass and the sleeping daisies was his most prized possession, a bouncy, bright red ball. It had been missing since the day of the great rain, and he was determined to bring it back to the light. He began his quest at the edge of the flower bed. With a rhythmic scruff, 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 he sent clouds of dark earth flying into the air. Dirt landed on his nose and behind his ears, but he didn't mind the mess one bit. His claws suddenly struck something hard and smooth. Could it be? He wondered, his tail giving a hopeful wag. He pulled the object from the depths, but it wasn't round or red. It was a sun-bleached bone he had forgotten about last summer. Diggory moved on to the roots of the great oak. The ground here was tough and tangled with thick wooden fingers. He pushed and heaved, using all his weight to move a heavy stone out of the way, convinced the ball was hiding in the shadows. From a low-hanging branch, a small bird named Pip watched the commotion. "Looking for worms, Diggory?" Pip chirped. Diggory stopped and looked up, his face covered in dust. "No worms for me," he replied. "I'm searching for the Red Wonder." He returned to his work, digging near the garden shed. This time, he unearthed a blue garden glove. He gave it a playful shake, but it was flat and silent. It wasn't the bouncy friend he was looking for, so he set it aside on the grass and kept searching. Pip flew down to investigate the deepest hole yet. The bird peered into the dark opening, fluttering its wings to clear away some fallen leaves. "It's very dark down there," Pip warned, but Diggory was already scouting the next location with his nose to the ground. Near the patio, Diggory found a silver pebble that caught the afternoon sun. He picked it up and held it on his paw, watching it sparkle. It was a beautiful treasure, but it didn't bounce, and it didn't fit in his mouth just right. He needed his ball. Finally, he spotted a narrow gap beneath the wooden porch steps. He squeezed his body into the tight space, wiggling his hips until only his tail was visible. With one final mighty scoop of his paws, he saw a flash of brilliant crimson wedged in the dirt. Diggory backed out of the shadows, his eyes bright with joy. Tucked safely in his mouth was the dusty but perfect red ball. Pip let out a triumphant song, and together they headed for the center of the lawn to play.